Okay, let's perform a practical example using while loop. Assume now that we have to write a program to print a specific sentence, for example 20 times. What will we do? Easily you can type, without using loops, system.out.println my sentence and then copy it by yourself several times. But this way is not professional, so that we are using loops. So let's type while, then open parentheses, and between the parentheses we have to type a Boolean expression. So let's type, for example, x less than 20 and then open curly brackets. But this program is not compiling. That's because we don't declare x. Let's say int x equals 0 and then semicolon. We will print this sentence, my sentence, and then we increment the value of x as follows: x plus plus. Okay, what will be the output of this program when run it? Let's run and see. As we notice, it printed this my sentence 20 times as required, and that is because this while loop is executed 20 times due to that condition. X first started with value 0, and then in this while loop the program first asks if x is less than 20 or not. Since this Boolean expression evaluates true, so it goes inside the loop and then execute the statement, and then execute the statement which increments the value of x, so the next loop x became 1. After that it will evaluate the condition again to ask if 1 is less than 20. Yes, so this loop is repeated and x became 2. 2 is less than 20. Yes, repeated until x is 19 less than 20. Yes, repeated. And now x became 20. Is 20 less than 20? No, so the loop exits. And if we want to print the value of x, we are sure that it is 20. Let's run. As we see, the value of x is 20 as expected. And now, what do you expect the output to be if we changed this condition to x greater than 20? What do you expect? Run and see. As we see, it printed only the value of x, which is 0, and that's because the program didn't enter into this while loop anyway, because the expression in the while loop from the beginning is false. Okay, let's perform another example. Assume that we have an array x and will be assigned by those values 6, 1, 9, 0, 7, 5, 7, 2. How many are those values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add another 2 numbers. 4, 1. And now we want to print the summation of the 5th, the 6th, the 7th, the 8th, and the 9th elements of this array. So let's use the while loop, but first let's declare int sum and let's assign it by 0. And then let's open our while loop. Let's type while, and then let's have variable index, but first let's declare it int index equals 5, as we will start from the index number 5 in this array, and we will ask whether index is less than or equal 9, so that we will enter the loop and then we'll perform this summation sum plus equals x of index, and then let's perform index plus plus to increment the value of index until reaching to the number 9, and then exit the loop and then print the value of the variable sum. So let's first, before running, let's calculate the summation of the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take care, I am saying the 5th index, not the 5th element. As we know in arrays, the 5th index is the 6th element. So that's the 5th index, and that's the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. So their summation are 5 plus 7, 12, plus 2, 14, plus 4, 18, plus 1, 19. So the sum must be 19. Let's run and see. Okay, that's good. So that's our required result.